Welcome back to Backyard Pizza Lab, where today we're settling one of the hottest debates in home pizza ovens. Which is better, the Ooni Koda 12 or the Ooni Koda 2? Two iconic Ooni ovens, but which one's right for you? The Koda 12 was my gateway drug to backyard pizza making. The Koda 2 is my new and improved workhorse. They're both powerful, portable, and pizza ready, but which one actually delivers a better bake? Let's find out. Starting out with the nitty gritty, the stone on the Koda 12 is slightly smaller and slightly thinner, just like the oven itself. The Koda 2 features a larger, thicker stone, which means it should hold heat better and distribute it more evenly, perfect for baking multiple pizzas. The flame on the Koda 12 is controlled by a simple knob on the back and features one burner. The rest of the inside's pretty bare, not much wasted space here. The Koda 2 has a new G2 control unit. It boosts airflow and gives you more control over the tapered flame at the back of the oven. That flame works in tandem with a couple of baffles that distribute heat more evenly across the stone, hopefully leading to better bakes. We let both ovens rip at full temp for 15 minutes and found the Koda 12 actually heated up faster than the Koda 2. But by the 20-minute mark, both ovens had no problem reaching those high pizza temps. Heat's locked in, time to bake. First up, the Koda 12. Solid performance, but this one takes lots of patience. You can already see a little bit of that uneven rise on the crust. That's classic Koda 12 behavior. It makes a great pizza, but it takes lots of turns. After we finish this pizza off, we're going to test the Koda 2. Same dough, same toppings. Let's see if those upgrades really matter. The tapered flame, thicker stone, and extra room to maneuver make a huge difference here. This pizza took fewer turns, but still came out great. Both pizzas are out, so let's break it down. Was there a clear winner? The Koda 12 took a bit more babysitting and finished off with a slightly blonder crust. On the other hand, the upgrades on the Koda 2 gave us a beautiful, easy bake, with an even rise and a crispy base. Now let's cut in and take a look at that cross-section. The Koda 12 still delivers, no question. But side by side, the cross-section tells the story. They're surprisingly close. Crisp edge, good puff, and an airy interior. You'd be hard-pressed to pick a winner just by looking. Now, of course, I did a taste test. Come on. But the results? Pretty close. Same dough, same toppings, and that same damn delicious. Both ovens get it done, no doubts about that. The Koda 12 is simple, light, and easy to take anywhere. It's affordable, heats up fast, and still turns out a killer pizza. But the Koda 2, it's the latest greatest. More room to work, better heat distribution, and more control over your bakes. It really comes down to what kind of pizza chef you want to be. Everything I use, including ovens, tools, and dough, is linked in the description. If you grab anything through those links, it'll help support the lab at no extra cost to you. Appreciate you watching. See you next time.